Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2,833rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Remember, trading is extremely risky. Put your stops in, put them in first. If you got long gold this morning without a stop, you could have been crucified. Gold dropped over $100. So anyone without a stop has gotten hurt very badly in gold. Traders with stops had a sensible loss and on to the next trade. Put those stops in first. So this video is coming at you midday. It's just about 1 p.m. In New York, and I want to give you an update because traders, it is happening already. Holiday reversals are abound. They're happening all over the charts. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This video is a warning to you. S&P's been going up, 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 up. Well, it went up this morning, turned around and cracked, and it's almost near its lows right now. It is starting a holiday reversal day. But there's more. Look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, same exact thing, went up, 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 just like it did for the last 4 or 5 days, but turned around and cracked and made new lows and is down closer to the lows than the highs. Another holiday reversal seems to be coming our way. Watch this one. This one, holiday reversal, look at that gold bar. Smack down. Now, we got long gold because it was above the average. This bar didn't exist. We got long gold because it was above the average and the OMNI said to get long. It turned around and stopped us out, but we had a sensible stop and we were knocked out. And look what happened. My goodness, talk about a holiday reversal day. So the holiday reversals are abound, and without a stop, you'd have been blown out here. Put your stops in. It's very important. All right, so what else do we have? Another holiday reversal is coming our way. Let's just see if we can clean this up. In bonds, look at this one. Another holiday reversal, 30-year T-bonds, right? This, for quite some time, up, 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 consolidating, but mostly on the downside, right? Down, 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 tried to go up for one day, down day, down day, down day. Holiday reversal today, Monday, pops its head right up, right? You can see this has been going down, not really up, so the trajectory has been down, and suddenly holiday reversals. So believe me, it is worth telling you about this. Holiday reversals are abound. Be careful out there. It's all over the place. Look at for how long the dollar index was going up, 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 had a little pullback, up, 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 the first day of the week of the holiday, and it reverses. So the Oscarism phenomenon known as the holiday reversal, that is real, happening before your eyes. Be careful if you're trying to buy dips out there. So you can buy dips in markets that were going down. You could sell rallies in markets that were going up, is how these holiday reversals work. Let's see what else is happening out there. Crude oil, same sort of thing. Holiday reversal taking place. Crude oil daily bar, January contract. As you can see, what happened here was going up smartly, up, 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 above the average, up, up, boom. Today, holiday reversal takes place. So that's about as real as it gets, kids. I wanted to make sure you seen what was going on out there. There's also this. Getting a holiday reversal in euro at the moment. See that? Even the euro is getting one. So it's happening all over the place. You were down, 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 down. Boom, suddenly an up day on the holiday reversal day. Then, of course, look at this big one. Bitcoin has a holiday reversal. How about that? It's been going up for so long, people forgot what down looks like, and boom, the first day of the big holiday week, and we get a reversal. That's about as real as it gets, kids. You can't expect more than that. So please heed these warnings and pay attention to these holiday reversals so that you don't get caught on the wrong side. So that's what I wanted to show you. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. Join me in my free live trading room. That'll help you. I'll help you keep your emotions down. Make sure you subscribe to these videos, like and share them all over the internet. That'll help us dramatically to help others. And remember to say this to yourselves over and over again, because I know it'll help you. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this helps. Make sure you heed the warning, watch the market you're trading, and join me at livewithoscar.com.